my channel. If you are new here, my name is Camelia. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for the ride, honey. I wanted to do my eyebrows. I'm using a brand new dye kit that I haven't used before. It is the Eylure London. This is the brow kit. I haven't used it before. This is going to be the first time. I have dyed my eyebrows before, just not using this particular brand, and I really want to get a video out for you guys this Friday, so I thought, why not just film it? So I'm going to film it and I'm going to let you guys sort of be the judge of how good it is. I'm actually thin on certain parts of my eyebrows, like the tail areas. I'd like to be a little bit longer and a little bit in the front here. I like my eyebrows to be jet black and to look very full and as perfect as I can get them. Don't judge me. I'm trying to be snatched for 2020, and I'm bringing you girls along because we're going to be snatched together. Let's get into this video. It's supposed to last up to 6 weeks and you get 12 applications. So I haven't done a patch test, but I do dye my eyebrows often and I do dye my hair a lot. So that's the only reason why I'm not doing a patch test, and I'm lazy. Let's just call a spade a spade. Oh my god, really? So this is what the kit is looking like, and you get this little spoolie, I guess, to brush up the eyebrows. This is the activator, this is the colour, and actually they've got this little thing here, this little circle in the middle, assuming that's where you mix the activator and the colour. So that's where we're going to mix it. I did actually have a bowl here, but actually this one's better because then you guys will be able to see what it looks like mixed up. So it says mix 1 centimetre of dye cream with 3 drops of activating solution. So that's what we're going to do. Let me just wipe this little whole thing out. So 1 centimetre. Can somebody help me, please? I'm not good with centimetres and meters and millimeters. I can barely count. Okay, she's coming out already. So I'm going to use that much. I'm guessing that's about a centimetre. I'll show you guys in a minute. Let me just put the lid on. It said 3 drops of the applicator. Okay, so look, that's how much I've put in the thing. I don't know if that's 1 centimetre. Hopefully it is. Apply a small amount to a small area and oh, okay, no. So I was reading the wrong bit. Squeeze 2 centimeters of dye color. Okay guys, so the 1 centimeter with the 3 drops is if you're doing a patch test. Okay, so when you're actually making a solution to go on your eyebrows and not to do the patch test, you want to mix 2 centimeters of dye, open activating solution away from the face, add 5 drops. Okay, so it's 2 centimeter of the cream to 5 drops of the applicator. Oh, why do I keep calling it applicator? So I'm going to put a little bit more in here. At this point, I'm just guessing what 2 centimeters is. I doubt this is it. So 2 centimeters, then it says to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think I saw 5 drops come out. I'm going to use the bottom end of the spoolie and I'm going to just mix it together. I feel like it's not mixing. Cream takes a little bit of a while to separate into the activator, but it is coming together. And I really want to make sure it's mixed because, you know, you want it to work. So I'm making sure that I'm mixing this properly. This is what it's looking like now. Okay, in there. And I've got some left on here. So before I put that on, I'm actually going to go ahead and put some Vaseline underneath my eyebrows to protect them from so if the color runs over the eyebrow and onto the skin, I don't want it to dye my skin, so I'm just going to put some Vaseline where I don't want the dye to go. Be careful because anywhere that the Vaseline or the oil is, you're actually not going to be able to, like, the color's not going to take in that area, so just be careful of that. Honestly, if I was dyeing my brows on a normal day, I wouldn't even be bothering with all of this, but because I'm filming it, I mean, I didn't do a patch test. The least I could do is do the Vaseline. Right, as you can see, the Vaseline is on. Now we're going to go in with the dye. So I plan on using this little brush here to just apply the dye, and then I'm going to use the spoolie to brush everything up, yeah? And I'm literally just going to go slightly in like an upward motion. The reason why I'm going up and not across is because I don't want there to be like a harsh line going on underneath the brow. So when I'm going here, obviously I can't go in an upward position when I get to the thinnest part. That's a bit too much. Tail area for me is like the most important because I really want there to be, I want it to look like there is brow there, you know? That's the first brow done. And then I'm gonna put the solution on the second brow, like this. I actually did not need this Vaseline, to be honest with you. Vaseline. Because I really want to try and get that eyebrow. I really want to try and make it thicker. And I think my hand's steady enough. I've been doing this long enough. Wouldn't it be funny if I messed them up now after saying that? So going up and then here. Because I want more of a tail, I actually put it purposefully on my skin where there is no hair, just to create more of a tail. This part can be messy. I'm going to use the spoolie now to brush the eyebrows, like brush the stuff into the eyebrow. You guys can see, sorry about that. So I'm just like brushing it in to the eyebrow. And you know what? I'm not even too concerned about really the tail not being too neat because we all use concealer, and to be honest, I've got quite oily skin anyway, so be really surprised if this actually lasts the 6 weeks, but we've given it a good go. I want them to be jet black because I really want a chance for them to dye the skin on the tail ends and at the beginning there. So, and to be honest guys, it doesn't even matter how like jet black they go. From what I've learned is because my skin is so oily, it's not going to last that long. It's going to push it out daily, and with the fact that I apply moisturizers to my skin daily, it's not going to stay so intense. So for me, having it really jet black in the first instance isn't a problem for me. So it says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for a little bit longer. I'm going to come back to show you what it looks like when it's dried, and then I'm going to wipe it off on camera. So, see you in a bit. Hi ladies, so I am back, and this is what my brows are looking like so far. These are what they look like dried. I think I might have had the solution on for possibly about maybe 30 minutes now. So I've got a couple pieces of wet cotton wool that I'm going to use to take the stuff off. I'm just going to do it in the mirror. Wow, they are jet black. I love it. Ooh, it does dye the skin, guys. It does dye the skin quite a bit. This is what the first brow is looking like. This is what the first brow is looking like. It did catch it a little bit there, but I'm not too concerned. Do this side. This is what we're looking like. Just gonna dry them. Brush them up. So I don't know if you guys are able to see a difference in my brows. I certainly can. This is what they're looking like. It has dyed the skin a little bit. That's exactly what I want. I can perfect these with like an eyebrow pencil, so I'm not too concerned about that. What I do like is without penciling in my eyebrows, I look like I have brows. And as I said, here is a little bit, you can see like where it stained the skin, and I don't have much eyebrow there. Let me zoom in for you. But I am actually really happy with the way that my eyebrows are looking. All in all, I am very happy with this product. I would recommend, if you don't have a steady hand, to definitely use the Vaseline to outline the parts of your brows that you don't want to get coloured, or the parts of your skin that you don't want to get coloured. As I said, I've got very oily skin. This isn't the first time I've dyed my brows, so I know that actually the areas where it seems like where there's no hair but there's dye there, I know those areas are going to lift out pretty quickly. I will link it in the description box below. Comment down below if you have any tips or tricks or any other brands that you feel work really good when it comes to dyeing your brows. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Turn on those post notifications so that you'll know when I upload next. I'm going to be coming with some bargains that I bought from Amazon. You want to be tuned in for that. Subscribe for the ride and come and vibe, and I